Now we shall do a small exercise to see how well we have understood the previous topic. So, completez avec or, à la, or and a, l apostrophe. So, we are going to fill in these blanks using these four words. Now, first sentence, allons dash cinéma. So, what we have to note here is the noun. So, the noun here is cinema. Cinema is the noun. Now, see what form this noun is in. Is it in the singular or in the plural form? It is in the singular form. Now, is it in the masculine or feminine form? It is in the masculine form. So, since it is in the masculine form, we would write le, a, le. Now, what did I tell? When a and le come together, it becomes, yes, it becomes o. Allons au cinéma. Go to the cinema. So, we have to take the noun, see whether it is in the singular or in the plural form, masculine or feminine form, and fill in the appropriate word. Now, let us go to the next sentence. Il parle dash actrices. Now, this noun is in the plural form. So, when it is in the plural form, whether it is masculine or feminine, we know the word is o. Here, actually, it would be a, le. Now, when a and le come together, what does it become? It becomes o. So, we will fill this blank with o. Is it easy? Very small steps. You have just, first you have to identify the noun and see in what form the noun is. Accordingly, you have to fill in one of these four words. So, shall we move on to the next sentence? Try finding the word that needs to be filled in this sentence. So, l'enfant va dash école. L'enfant va dash école. Now, école means school. So, is it in the singular or in the plural form? Yes, it is in the singular form. Now, is it in the masculine or in the feminine form? It is in the masculine form. However, since it begins with a vowel, there would be a vowel clash here. So, it would become L apostrophe. So, when A and L apostrophe come together, it remains the same. So, how will we read this sentence? L'enfant va à l'école. The child goes to school. L'enfant va à l'école. So, since there is a vowel clash here, we put an apostrophe. So, when A and an L apostrophe come together, it will remain the same. So, this is the word we fill in this blank. So, have you understood this? Shall we move on to the next sentence? So, the fourth sentence. Il montre le passeport dash agent. Now, what is the noun in this sentence? It is agent. Now, is this in the singular or in the plural form? Yes, it is in the singular form. Now, you may note that this also begins with the vowel. So, what would we write? Yes, we would write A, L apostrophe because it begins with a vowel. So, have you understood? That we have to just identify the noun, see in what form it is, and accordingly fill in one of these four words. It is very simple. You have to just keep practicing. Now, Kumaran passe dash tableau. Now, this is a noun in this sentence. Yes, did you identify the noun? The noun is tableau. This is noun. Now, this is in the singular or plural form? It is in the singular form. Now, is it in the masculine or feminine form? It is in the masculine form. So, when it is in the masculine form, we are supposed to write A and L. Now when a and la are added, what do we get? We get the verb o. So we will replace this by o. So this is a very simple exercise, very simple steps. You have to read the sentence, identify the noun, and then see if the noun is in the singular or in the plural form, and then whether it is in the masculine or feminine form, and accordingly you have to fill in one of these 4 verbs. When do we fill these words? When the noun is in the masculine singular form, you would write o. When it is in the feminine singular form, we would write a la. When it is in the plural form, we would write o. So kindly note the spelling. And whether it is masculine or feminine, if it begins with a vowel or a H mute, we would write a L apostrophe. So I hope you understood this simple exercise.